the beginning, there was nothing, no light, no sound, no form, only an infinite expanse of silence and potential. Imagine a state so complete in its emptiness that it defies our very experience of existence. Welcome to From Nothing to Everything, the birth of existence, a journey into the origin of all that is. Today, we explore the mysterious transition from void to vibrant life, where the seeds of creation were sown in a moment beyond time. What do we mean by nothing? In our everyday language, nothing might imply emptiness or absence. But in the realms of quantum physics, even what we call nothing is not a barren void. It is a seething, dynamic field where particles and energy blink in and out of existence. These quantum fluctuations, fleeting bursts of energy within the emptiness, suggest that nothing is not inert at all. Rather, it is the fertile ground of possibility where every conceivable potential is already present, waiting for the right moment to manifest. Consider this. Even in the darkest vacuum of space, there exists a hidden dance of particles, ephemeral and unpredictable. This is not chaos, but an inherent order, an order that hints at the possibility of creation itself. The idea that out of nothing can come everything is a radical and beautiful notion, one that challenges our intuitive understanding of emptiness and being. Thus, nothing in the quantum sense is imbued with life, a potential that is almost as mysterious as it is profound. It sets the stage for an event so monumental that it would redefine reality itself. Then, in a moment beyond ordinary comprehension, the unimaginable happens. From that hidden potential, a singularity, a point of infinite density and energy ignites in what we now call the Big Bang. In an instant, the fabric of space and time is torn asunder, and the universe bursts into existence. Picture this. A minute point, a spark in the vastness of nothing, suddenly erupts in a blinding flash. In that explosion, space itself expands, carrying matter and energy into the great unknown. The laws of physics, which govern every particle and force, begin to take shape as the universe rapidly cools and evolves. In those initial moments, the universe was a seething cauldron of energy, a primordial soup where particles collided, fused, and set the stage for the emergence of atoms, stars, and galaxies. Every element that makes up your body, every star in the night sky, and every thought in your mind can trace its origins back to this extraordinary event. The Big Bang is not merely an explosion. It is the grand opening of the cosmic theater, the first act in the drama of existence. It is where the blueprint of everything was drawn, and the laws of nature began their eternal dance. As the universe expanded, it cooled. In this cooling, the chaotic energy gradually settled into structures, first subatomic particles, then atoms, and eventually the vast cosmic tapestry we observe today. The birth of our universe was both a moment of explosive change and the quiet onset of order emerging from chaos. Science tells us the mechanics of creation, but the mystery of existence has long inspired the human spirit to search for deeper meaning. Across cultures and throughout history, mystics and philosophers have pondered the same enigma. Is the emergence of the universe merely a random event, or is it a deliberate act, a sacred unfolding? In ancient Eastern traditions, what we call nothing is often seen not as emptiness, but as a profound, undifferentiated state, a vast, silent potential. The Tao of Chinese philosophy, for example, teaches that the Tao, the ultimate principle, is ineffable. It is beyond words, yet it gives birth to all that exists. Similarly, Western philosophers from Plato to modern thinkers have argued that the material world is but a shadow of a higher, more perfect realm of forms. In this view, The physical universe is a canvas upon which the infinite potential of a greater reality is expressed. Thus, the birth of the cosmos is not only a scientific phenomenon, but also a metaphor for the journey from ignorance to illumination, the emergence of order, meaning, and beauty from the silent void. It invites us to reflect on our own origins and the hidden potential that lies within each moment. Whether you see creation as a random quantum event or a divine act of expression, the journey from nothing to everything remains one of the most profound mysteries. It calls us to look inward, to question our reality, and to seek the deeper truths that connect us all. From the silent void of nothing, an explosion of possibility gave birth to everything we know, a universe of boundless complexity and eternal wonder. Today, we have only begun to scratch the surface of this grand mystery. As you ponder these questions, remember that every moment holds the potential for discovery. We invite you to join us on this endless journey, a quest to explore the deepest origins of existence, to unravel the puzzle of truth, and to awaken to the infinite possibilities that lie within and beyond. Subscribe now, share your thoughts, and step into a realm where every question is a doorway and every answer leads to new beginnings. Welcome to the journey. Welcome to the birth of existence.